Hello everyone, welcome to Food for Thought Dom Gamut, a math and cooking tutorial.
Hello, here is the integral problem to be solved. Find the integral of cosine squared y with respect to y. Let's write the solution first. Let f of y is equal to cosine squared y. Note that 2 cosine squared is equal to cosine 2a plus 1. So f of y is equal to 1/2 times cosine 2a plus 1. Now, let's find the integral of f of y using the integration by parts. We have to multiply 1/2 to each term inside the bracket. Now the integral of cosine 2y is equal to sine 2y over 2 the y. Next is to simplify. Then let's factor out. Take the 1/4 out of the bracket times sine 2y plus c. So the final answer is 1/4 bracket sine 2y plus y bracket plus c.
If you liked, enjoyed, and learned from this video, consider subscribing to my channel, like, share, and hit the bell for more exciting math topic video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day to everyone. Happy learning!